Too much fish.
Right side. Oh, no, you are swimming in the fish. Gretchen, go over there. You wanna go swimming in the fish? Tayo ala pa siya dito. Tayo ala pa siya.
You stand up there lang, baby.
Right there. Right there. Here. Okay.
Oh, haboy na pagkaon.
Stand up right there. Okay. You are fine right there. And then the fish will go around you. Hey, don't move too much. Just stand right there and the fish will go around you.
Oh, sige na. Give a food.
Griffin, just steer me here. Katay buwang, nag-swimming dahil sa kasamang isda. Griffin, it's impossible.
Ang tinapay man iyagin.
Ito naman to sila.
I know, nanungo fish because
No, to.
the fish that's still from
Oh, it's there. See. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, too much fish.
Are you okay, Rhea?
We don't have a lambat. We don't have a net.
Oh, Tito, the camera is not focusing because it's...
Oh, the water's moving? Yeah.
No, the water is too... No, you guys come over here. It's not so clear.
Wow.
Minimum ribbon.
Wow, it's very big. Wow. Yee.
You gotta catch them when they're like in the over the sand.
Nabo ka kasi ka dagko. No, pinuka.
See the fish.
Very nice. See. Woo. There's so many big size.
Hey, alis na kayo dyan.
See?
Come back here so the fish will come in here.
Come here.
Oh, yan.
Oh no. So much fish in this place. Very good. Oh, wow.
Oh, there's many.